Hello, my friend. How you doing? This is Yuda, and today I'm gonna teach you something very important. It took me like 2-3 hours to figure out. I just take the TX16 and I do updates for the program and everything. So I put the latest, the firmware, and everything was work good. So I decided to make the CROSSFIRE also to upgrade, and I have a little bit trouble that I will show you later in this video. And I do the updates and everything. So after you do the updates for the CROSSFIRE, you have to, after that you do for this CROSSFIRE, you see with the green light, you have to do updates to all your models, to the receivers. So what you have to do, and I find out that after that you upgrade the model, so it doesn't recognize it, so you have to do it manual. So what I did, and I just take the battery or just plug in the computer, and I push the button of the bind, and then it will start to be red because there is no communication between. Then you go to system, okay, you go here into system, and then you go to CROSSFIRE, and you see the list that I make, and after that it will find you the X micro, not the nano, because I just upgrade. So if you see the nano X down, it's not this. You go to micro, and then you're gonna do a binding, okay. But before, when you do binding, yes, you do binding, and then it rebind everything. So after that, you reboot the remote controller, remove the drone, and I still don't have the PPM signal here. So that was a big problem because everything was bind, the drone and the TX16 was bind together, but there is no communication with the flight controller. So what I did was go to the this nano. You can see here this nano, and what you have to do now, after that, you see it show you 0 and this, go to factory reset. When you push this factory reset, it will factory reset the receiver, and then you can start again, bind it, like going to the EX micro TX, okay, and then bind, and then it will tell you what to do and everything, and that's it. And after that, everything works like a charm. So I can move, and it's still moving. Everything you see, I use PPM, and it's moving. So if you have troubleshoot with this TBS, like I did, I have a lot of story to tell you about that. That it was bootload and it was almost go to the trash, and I fix it. It took me like 3-4 hours. So this is how you do it. Okay, hope I help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, my friend.